Persons with low vision, they always have difficulties to see things clearly or to see things in details because of their conditions. And when it comes to reading, they always have difficulties to read and write because of their limited sight. Usually, when they are reading, other people tend to say that they read using their nose because of they always want to put things closer to their eyes such that they can be able to see. But please, they don't use their nose. They be using their remaining sight, just that because they always bend to see what they are reading. But this one becomes a bit tedious and difficult. It makes their life very hard and uncomfortable to read well. So we have different types of devices that they can use. One of them are the CCTVs, or what we call closed circuit televisions. There are different types of CCTVs, as I'm going to demonstrate or show you, but specifically here we have the Marine Ultra HD CCTVs. What are CCTVs? These are magnifiers that enlarge physical documents into big font size for persons with low vision to be able to see. A case in point, this is a Marine Ultra CCTV. So this is CCTV. It has different parts. It has the tray or the base where we put the reading material, and as you can see, this base is moving in different directions. So I can put the reading material on the tray. When you put the reading material on the tray, the CCTV has a display monitor. This monitor helps us to display whatever is on the reading material. And it has a camera. This camera is down, as you can see my hands. The camera picks from the tray and it displays on the monitor. A case in point, as you can see what is being displayed, it's a question paper of Chambogo University. But this learner, because he or she has low vision, it will be very hard for him to see this small font size. But in exams, when there is a CCTV, the learner is able to come with the question paper, see it, and then enlarge. So how does it work? It has the control panel or buttons. The first one on my right is the switch on, switch off button. When you press it on, the CCTV will go on, and when you press it again, it will go off. The middle button is the font size button. This one is responsible for enlarging the font size of our choice, depending on our visual acuity. We can enlarge or zoom from 3 to 4. The more you zoom, it will keep on increasing or enlarging, as you can see. That's font size 8. So depending on your visual acuity, it goes up to font size, I think 17. So with this, you are able to see very clearly. We have some learners who read letter by letter. So you can see this is A, orientation and mobility. But when you're reading, you have to first put the letter and leave the tray such that it can focus. From there, we can also decrease the font size depending on your visual acuity. For example, there is someone who will benefit from font size 9. Now, this CCTV also has a very important key which is called the mode key. And this key helps us to play around with the color contrast. Dear students, when a person with low vision, he or she always benefits from color contrast. There is someone who will enjoy a black on white background or white on black background. For example, when you press, the color mode keeps on changing. This is black and white. This is enhanced positive. It's a bit clear. We also have enhanced negative. That is white on black background. You can see the characters are in white, but the background is black. We also have color mode selection, where someone will benefit from the yellow color, the characters in yellow color, and the background is in blue. We have different kind of color selections. We also have the one for color, meaning this one will give us exactly how the document looks like. For example, this is my hand. It gives me the color of my hand. So that is the color contrast part of it. But when you're reading using the CCTV, most especially the Marlin, you have to move the tray. We usually read from left to right. You keep on moving the tray. And this tray moves in all directions, as you can see, the way I'm moving it. In case you want to concentrate on one part of the document, you have to pull the tray locker. When you pull it behind, the tray will not move. But to unlock it, you have to push it inside, and then the tray starts moving. So that's how a CCTV works, most especially the Marine Ultra. But it is very important to note that sometimes you might get tired when you're just seated. With this CCTV, it has a handle that you hold, the one I'm holding, this is the handle, and then you can read. Just turn the screen in your best position, minus you playing around with the tray. So you can also read, it's like you're presenting on a pulpit when you're standing. So this one makes reading easy and comfortable. Thank you so much.